Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your general energy, for your career situation and love energy, Pisces, and one card from the Oracle guidance deck. So this is for your general reading, guys. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy, and one card from the Oracle guidance deck. So this is the card. We will open these cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily reading, guys, we will open the card. It's King of Cups. So with this card, this may relate to your career situation or personal life. You are a very wise person, guys. You have that understanding and you have patience. Whatever your situation is, you have that patience, understanding, and you are a very responsible person. You care for the people who are there in this in your situation, maybe the people you work with, or in your personal life, the people from your family. You are very responsible in whatever you do. So that is what I see here. You are wise and understanding and a very caring person, guys, Pisces. So for your career situation, it's the Moon. So with this card, I see here you may have some intuition in your situation, intuition guiding you in a particular way. You may have dreams about what you need to do in your life, and you may also have that insecurity because you are not clear about your future. So some kind of anxiety because of that. You are not having that clear vision about your future, guys. So anxious about that. That is also what I see. So this may be about some projects or some financial deals, something you are doing in your career. So some kind of worries because of that, unknown fact in your situation today, guys. For your relationship, let us see what is the card. It's Six of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this person, guys. Again, you may have some anxieties because you do not know how things are going to go in this relationship, guys. So you may have that attraction, you like this person, but you do not know still whether this person likes you the same way you like them. So that understanding may be the reason for the stress, maybe that lack of understanding. So some kind of fear or apprehension, anxieties are there in this connection. Again, it may something about the future. So that is what I see here with these cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy. So what is the Oracle guidance? We will turn this card. Deep knowing. So this is an Oracle card, guys. So it is a general guidance what we can do today to make things go in a very harmonious way. So this card just means that listening to the guidance within. So when you allow that intuition to flow towards you in your career or in your personal life, when you have that nudges, intuitive nudges pointing you towards some direction, you have to listen to that. The trick is to listen to this guidance and understand this that this guidance is coming from that higher power that is there in you. So when you listen to it and follow that guidance, things will go in a very harmonious and happy way, guys. So that is what this card is about. Same way in your relationship, when you meet a person, you will just know that this person is going to play a meaningful role in your life. You will have that so much familiarity with this person. And when this person comes to you, you will have that unbelievable level of connection with them, some deep bond, some deep understanding you may feel with this person. So all this just means that this person is supposed to be there in your life, destined to be there, and intuition is guiding you towards this person. Sometimes you may share that great bond with this person, and maybe sometimes we may feel that we should not connect to such people. So when intuition is guiding you, it is always right, guys. You have to go for it. That is what this oracle's guidance is about. Same way in our career situation, guys. Sometimes we may have some intuition or some voice telling us not to do or to do something. We have to listen to it intently, and when you do that, we will get clarity and we will be able to make that right choice in life. So that is the oracle's guidance for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.